Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Madeline and today I'm gonna show you how to download Blender and install it. I also have the orange lights, the same as Blender. So let's get into it. First off, I already tapped one letter. First off, we are gonna search on Google Blender and for me it's showing up like the first result. Now here on the website we are just welcomed by this first page, and from here we can download the last stable build. Of course we can click on what's new, and we can choose from here if we want another version. You can change it from here, and also they make their builds available, even the alpha builds. You can see here everything they're working on. They constantly work on their versions. From here you can take, let's say, 3.4, but for the moment we are gonna go with 3.3. I also have to update it, that's why I'm doing the video, because I have Blender 3.2. And if we go to latest changes, here we can take a look, let's say for 3.4. Here it's the page where you can see what updates they have made and where they made the updates. Everything with blue, it's showing an update done from the latest version. The red areas are without any update, so they didn't done any update for VFX, video, virtual reality, or features. But they've done updates. Let's look at the first one, animation and rigging, and here you can see what they've made. Let's say also we are gonna take a look into EV and viewport, or maybe we can take a look, maybe it was on render with cycles. They've added this kind of path guiding. It's working with CPU render. So basically here you can see what's coming up for the builds, and also you can see what they have done for the stable build. So you can take a look here into everything they've made. Now let's get back to the page where we were. So just by going to download here, I can already see the size. That's for Windows. Of course we can change from here the settings. I can take the portable version, it's in zip file, you just unzip it, or from Microsoft Store you can take it from for Mac, Linux, Steam. They have also their source code here. So for the moment I'm gonna go with Windows installer. That's what we are gonna see today. Of course it's downloading. Now with the download finished, I just open it. Everything it's preparing. I check here, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Here you can change the location, but I'm not gonna change it. It's optional if you want another location from it. But in this folder I have all the oldest builds. Now here you can change it if you want the libraries not to be included, but I'm leaving them like that. I'm gonna go for next, and Install. Now with the installation finished, I just click finish. Let's take a look. Now I can just open up Blender and it's gonna open the version that I installed. It's as simple as that. Even if you have an older version, the newer version is gonna be opened up. And here we are with our bad boy, Blender 3.3 installed. Everything it's working perfect. Here we can take a look at the experimental. If we want to change anything, we have add-ons. If you have an older version from the Blender, from Blender, it's gonna take automatically all the add-ons that you're having. You don't need to install them again. So pretty much all the settings are just straightforward taken. That was the tutorial. Hopefully you learned something new and you enjoyed the tutorial. Please leave me a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.